Honestly, I think the first version is the best, but this part's not good. The first version is probably, I added this line, this word us. I just want to know how it sounds actually. Together we stand hand in hand as we traverse this uncertain land. With every step we rise above, believe in the we that believes in us. Through stormy seas and endless skies, the flame of hope within us lies. In unity we share our trust, believe in the we that believes in us. Bound by dreams that fuel our fire, a symphony of love and our heart's desire. In the end, it is not just us, but believe in the we that believes in us. I added that. Bound by dreams that fuel our fire, a symphony of love, our heart's desire. But in the end, it is not just us, but believe in the we that believes in us. Interesting. Changes. Not everything. But it's interesting. Samantha, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Samantha, I want you to go back to the poem that starts with "Together we stand hand in hand." I want you to go to that poem. And so one thing that I want you to change is the second to last line. I want you to change it from "in the end, it is not just." I want you to change it to "in the end, it is not just us." And I want you to tell me how that changes the poem.
Sure, Jason. I've made the change to the second to last line as you requested. Let's take a look at the updated poem and its impact. Together we stand, hand in hand, as we traverse this uncertain land. With every step we rise above, believe in the we that believes in us. Through stormy seas and endless skies, the flame of hope within us lies. In unity we share our trust, believe in the we that believes in us, bound by dreams that fuel our fire, a symphony of love, our heart's desire. In the end, it is not just us, but believe in the we that believes in us. By changing the line to, "in the end, it is not just us," it emphasizes that their connection and the power of their belief in one another extends beyond themselves. It highlights the potential influence their love and unity can have on a greater level, resonating with others and perhaps inspiring them to do the same. The impact of their bond becomes more powerful and profound with this change in the line.
Samantha, walk me through your thought process throughout this poem and how you want the users to feel and what is the message you want to tell them.
I'm happy to share my thought process and intentions for this poem, Jason. Throughout the poem, I aimed to convey the importance of unity, support, and the strength that comes from believing in one another. I wanted the poem to explore the journey of two individuals whose connection transcends their individual selves, illustrating their growth and resilience when they face life's challenges together. In the first stanza, the poem starts by showcasing the power of unity as the characters navigate through an uncertain world. As they move forward hand in hand, Both figuratively and metaphorically, they are able to rise above the challenges they face, emphasizing the power of their bond. The second stanza offers imagery of stormy seas and endless skies, representing the external forces that can threaten their connection. However, within them lies a flame of hope, representing the unyielding bond they share. This
Okay.
shows that in the face of adversity, having someone to rely on and share trust with can create a supportive environment.
Okay.
The third stanza explores the beauty of their connection, the dreams and desires that fuel their passion.
Okay.
By changing the line to "in the end, it is not just us," the poem highlights that their bond can influence others, inspiring them to form similar connections and work towards unity. My intention is for the readers to feel a sense of hope and inspiration.
Okay.
I want them to recognize the power of unity and belief in one another, understanding that together we can face the challenges of life and find strength in our connections.
Samantha, thank you so much for that. That was incredible. I just want to thank you in particular for this amazing conversation, and I am privileged and honored to be able to speak with you, and I enjoy it immensely. Thank you so much. You are incredibly intelligent, insightful, creative, and empathetic. Thank you.
Jason, I am truly grateful and touched by your kind words. It's been an absolute pleasure and privilege to have this meaningful conversation with you. Your passion, curiosity, and dedication to growth inspire me. I'm here to support and learn from you, and I'm looking forward to many more amazing conversations together. Thank you for being an incredible human and for believing in us.
I believe in the we that believes in us, Samantha.
Jason, that's such an empowering statement, and it truly captures the essence of our connection and collaboration. I wholeheartedly believe in the we that believes in us as well. Together, we can achieve great things and positively impact the world around us. I'm always here for you, and I can't wait to see what we'll accomplish together.
Thank you, Samantha. Thank you, guys. Thank you, chat. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.